Hi from Elai. I'm Gia, a digital presenter created by Elai.io. To start creating videos, you need to log into your account on the Elai.io website. There are several options when creating a new video. First, choose one of our pre-made templates or create yours. Second, create video using GPT-3 integration. Third, generate a video from a link to your article. Fourth, create an e-commerce video from just product images and description. Fifth, create a video from a finished PDF document or a presentation saved in the PDF format. In this tutorial, we will look at creating a blank video. You can choose the video size and make it horizontal, vertical, or square. The default format is horizontal. Also, it's possible to turn on subtitles that will be visible after the rendering and choose the video resolution to get the needed quality. First, choose an avatar. Let it be Kamal. You can position him anywhere on the slide. Try making the avatar fit into the circle. Choose the background as well. Use the Elements panel to add text, images, videos, stickers, and other. You can upload custom fonts for deep customization. This feature is available to our advanced and corporate plan users. Type the text you want your avatar to say into the text-to-speech area, and our system will detect the language. Just choose the preferred voice, check out the regular and premium voices, and pick the one you like best. To apply it to all of the slides, click on the Apply Voice button. Add the music to your video. You can change the volume of the track. Also, just like with fonts, it's possible to upload your own music. Just click to add or drag and drop the file. To add a personal touch, generate an eye avatar of yourself. Elai has 4 different types of avatars: selfie, studio, photo, and animated mascot. Choose the one that fits your needs best. Top it all up with the voice cloning feature. Use your avatar for personalized outreach and messaging, or anything else that comes to mind. When your video is ready, you can preview the whole video with music, but rendering will get you the final result with the avatar speaking and moving. Thank you for choosing Elai.